Hello everybody, I'm Dan. Welcome to my Java tutorial series. Throughout my tutorials I will teach you Java using just Notepad and the command prompt. The order in which my tutorials are organized on both my website at javacjava.com and my YouTube playlist is designed to maximize learning by building on concepts from prior tutorial. This tutorial is basically configuring the JDK, getting rid of that Java C is not recognized error. Okay, first things first, let's go ahead and open up my website, javacjava.com, select Java Tutorials. And we're going to basically the second half of the installed JDK. We're going to configure it here. Now basically, where I left off is we're going to run Java C in the... as a matter of fact, I've got all the instructions that I'm going to go over in this whole entire tutorial set up right here in case you want to just browse through there, or you can watch the tutorial itself there too as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and get that off screen there. And first thing I'm going to do is open up the command prompt here. Now, I've got a shortcut to the command prompt on my desktop, but if you don't, you create one really fast by right-clicking, selecting New Shortcut, type in CMD next and finish. It's just that easy. I'm going to go and open this up, and first thing I'm going to do is type in Javac, which is a Java compiler command, and we get Javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable, program, or batch file. So we need to fix this here. We're just going to close out of that. We're going to come down here to the Windows 10 search feature and just start typing in environmental. Once we see edit the system environment variables, we can go ahead and select that. Okay, that brings up this little window here, and down at the bottom down here you see environment variables. We're going to go select that. That'll bring up another window here. Two sections, variables for basically the user and system variables. We want to select the path variable for system, not the path variable for user. Okay, and then we're going to select Edit. Alright, now this is where it's kind of new in Windows 10 here. Actually, the previous screen was as well. So, I am going to simply select New, and that creates a new record, and then Browse. Now, if we come back here to the command prompt, what we're looking for is the Javac, which is a Java compiler command. If we type in cd space / cd is short for change directory, and / tells it to go to the root. If we type in dir, which is a directory, right? We'll type in javac.exe and then /s. So we're telling it to search for javac.exe in all the subdirectories. So I've got Android Studio installed, and then here is where we installed it from the last video, Program Files Java JDK 1.80 blah blah blah. This number might be different for you guys. You know, obviously they release a lot of these little sub-versions there, but this is Java version 8. And so it's in the bin folder underneath there. Alright, so now that we know where we're going, let's go ahead and close out of this. Go into this PC, the C drive. That was under the Program Files folder, then under Java, and then under the JDK 1.80 whatever, and then the bin folder. Alright, so now we've got this new entry right here, which will tell Windows where to search for the files that we type into the command line. Alright, so let's click OK on that, OK on this, and OK on that. We open back up our command line here and we type in Javac, and now we have all this stuff scrolling by, so we are good to go. In addition to that, we can type in Java, which is the Java virtual machine, and we should have that running as well. So if you got all that done, congratulations, you now have the Java development kit and Java runtime and all that stuff configured properly. I'm going to go ahead and close out of that, and that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.